And the Philippine National Red Cross Olongapo chapter is inviting all of you. All right, join us for the mobile blood donation drive on April 25. Uy, malapit na ha. April 25 is Friday, by the way. From 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. at the Garden in partnership with Subic's Super Yacht Haven Incorporated, the Garden by Pacific Ace, and the Philippine Red Cross Olongapo. Supported by Aura College and Senior High School Red Cross Youth Councils, Lions Club, Subic Metro Executive, Pure Petroleum Corporation, City Health Department, and DOH. Ayan, okay? Join po kayo ha, yung mga regular blood donor. Kung pwede lang ako, I would join. Kaya lang, kakadonate ko lang nung I'm not due for donation pa eh. March lang yung last donation ko. Ayan. It's like every 3 months ka pwede mag-donate. You know that? Okay? So once again, the mobile blood donation in partnership with Subic Yacht, Super Yacht Haven Incorporated, and the Garden by Pacific Ace. Ayan. Kaibigan ko yung mga nasa Pacific Ace. Ano? Okay? Gaganapin sa The Garden at Pacific Ace. Okay? Once again, it's gonna be on April 25, this coming Friday, 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. If you're not familiar sa The Garden, yung pagpasok nyo ng main gate sentry, di ba, may intersection, di ba? May building na, sa pagkatawid dun sa intersection, may building na napaka-nature ang dating. Oh, may maraming halaman, very green. Yan. So, doon located ang The Garden. Okay? Ang Hardin, Bao. Okay. And a couple of invites pa here from our friends at SM City Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown. Okay. Black Crust Pizza is now open at the ground level of SM City Olongapo Downtown. Okay. Tag your pizza buddies and follow their FB page for exciting promos, exclusive deals, and surprises. Black Crust Pizza is at the ground level, SM City Olongapo Downtown. Check out the summer sports. Enjoy summer at SM April 1 to May 31. Level up your summer at SM, from epic e-games to thrilling sports and the cutest pet Olympics. It's all about fun, family, and furry friends. Stay active, stay connected, and make this summer unforgettable at all SM Supermalls. Gear up for outdoor fun, from camping to backyard barbecues. Ace has all the essentials you need for your summer adventures from April 1 to 30. Get yours at Ace SM Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown. Ace Summer Adventures, April 1 to 30. Lifetime Summer Sale, April 17 to May 4. Summer get-togethers just got better. Enjoy big savings on Lifetime tables and chairs at the Ace Lifetime Summer Sale, happening April 17 to May 4 in Ace Hardware stores nationwide. Don't miss the Our Homes Mac Weekend Sale. This coming April 26 and 27, Saturday and Sunday. Enjoy an extra 10% off on all regular priced furniture and select sale items exclusive to Smack Prestige and BDO Rewards card holders. Plus, enjoy 0% interest for up to 24 months on installment purchases with major credit cards. Terms and conditions apply. Also, do check out the Happy Summer Specials. SM City Olongapo Downtown brings Happy Summer Specials promo this summer. Happiness is just a few steps away as SM City Olongapo Downtown introduces its Happy Summer Specials from April 25, 26, and 27, a 3-day sale event packed with exciting deals, cool surprises, and summer for the whole community. Downtown Shop and Win promo. We've got your next summer destination covered. Just spend a minimum of 1,000 pesos from any stores at SM City Olongapo Downtown and get a chance to be the lucky winners of day tour passes and staycation at Sinagtala Farm Resort, Sky Ranch, Pampanga, and Kamaya Coast. Shop now from April 15 to June 15 at SM City Olongapo Downtown. The more you shop, the closer you are to your dream summer vacation. So do check out the happy hour treats at SM City Olongapo downtown. Enjoy exclusive treats from food tenants from 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. Grab surprising treats when you shop exclusively from those hours. The happy hour treats. Indulge yourself with delightful treats when you shop here at SM City Olongapo downtown from April 1 to 30.